Today I'll be unboxing my Stylus Pen from FOJOJO. It can only be used on the newer iPads. It even says here, iPad 7th, 6th, iPad Air 3rd generation. So don't go buying this for an older iPad. And it usually is on sale for $32. You see that coupon for $5 off. So let's start the unboxing. This is the box it comes in. Pretty nice. Again, this is only for $32. Here's the model. Again, I got it off of Amazon too. FOJOJO. This is the model number. So when you open it up, what do you get? You get the 1-year product warranty. I bought this in February, and I'm using this with an iPad 6. 1-year warranty. Comes with replacement tips. So I didn't realize this uses graphite tips or something like that. So at one point you'll need to replace the tip. Comes with the user manual, but it's pretty straightforward. You just tap on the bottom to get it to work. That's it. We might also explain how to take off the tip. So here's the pencil itself. It's very simple to use. It uses a Usbc type connector, which is nice. You only have to plug in for a few minutes to get it to work, which is nice too, because it'll last for quite a while after a few minute charge. I'm not sure how long it takes to charge completely, but plug it in and it'll start blinking or something, showing that it's charging. But I charged it for a few minutes and it's still working for a long time. If you press it, it'll turn blue to indicate that it's on. Press it again. So it's quite easy to turn it on and off by accident, since all you have to do that. So there's no switch involved. It's all touch based. And that's it. That's what you get. I've been using it since February. Like I said, I almost forgot to turn this off. Using it since February. I'm pretty sure the biggest issue is you forget turning it off. But no issues. I just use it for my kids' schooling. Now that with COVID, they're having to do a lot of school work off of their iPads. And it's nice that they have something to write on. And this is just a fraction of what it costs for an iPad pencil. But, I mean, you get what you get. iPad pencil is really good. Has different functionality. But at the basic level, this just lets you write, which is pretty good. So no issues right now. I'll do a different video for showing how it works. Just right now, my kids are using all their iPads, and I don't really own an iPad.